Assalamu alaikum to all of you. Now, dear students, the topic is inverse trigonometric functions. Inverse trigonometric functions. We are doing these objective type questions. Now, today we will take this question number 19. Question number 19 is cos inverse cos of 7 pi by 6. You may get this as cos inverse cos of pi plus pi by 6. It is again cos of 7 pi by 6. You may get this as cos inverse cos of pi plus pi by 6 is always equal to minus pi by 6. It is always equal to minus pi by 6. Cos inverse cos of minus pi by 6. Or you may get this as cos inverse cos of minus cos of pi by 6. Minus cos of pi by 6, which is directly equal to pi minus cos inverse cos of pi by 6. And you may get this as pi minus pi by 6, which is directly equal to 6 pi minus pi by 6. The correct option is 5 pi by 6. 5 pi by 6 is 5 into 180 divided by 6. It is 150 degree. 150 degree in case of degrees. So this is the right option. It was question number 19. Now the question number 20 is sine of pi by 3 minus times sine inverse minus 1 by 2. Minus times sine inverse 1 by minus 1 by 2. You may get this as sine of pi by 3, sine of pi by 3 plus sine inverse 1 by 2. Because we know that sine inverse minus x minus times sine of x. Sine inverse minus x is always equal to minus times sine of x. So you will get this as sine of pi by 3, sine inverse sine of 1 by 2, it is 30 degrees, sine of pi by 6, sine inverse sine of pi by 6, it is sine of pi by 3, sine of pi by 3, sine inverse minus x, which is equal to pi by 6, sine inverse minus x is minus times sine of x, that is minus times sine of minus plus sine of pi by 6, sine of pi by 6. Sorry, sine of pi by 6. You may get this as sine of pi by 3 plus sine of pi by 6, which is directly, you can take this sine as common. Pi by 3 plus pi by 6. You may get this as sine of 6 pi plus 3 pi divided by 18. It is sine of 9 pi divided by 18. It is sine of pi by 2, sine of 90 degree, that is 1. That's always equal to 1. It was question number 20. Now the question number 21 is tan inverse root of 3 minus cot inverse minus root 3. This is the question. You have to find the correct option. Tan inverse root of 3 minus cot inverse minus root 3. You may get this as tan inverse root 3 minus times pi minus cot inverse root 3 minus times pi minus cot inverse root 3, because we know that cot inverse minus x is always equal to pi minus cot inverse x. Pi minus cot inverse x. It is always equal to pi minus cot inverse x. It is again tan inverse root 3, tan inverse root 3 plus cot inverse root 3 plus cot inverse root 3, because pi minus cot inverse root 3, pi cot inverse minus x is pi minus cot inverse x. In place of x, there is root 3, which is directly equal to, it is again equal to minus pi tan inverse root 3 plus cot inverse root 3. Tan inverse root 3 is tan inverse tan of pi by 3. Tan of pi by 3. It is pi by 2. Pi by 2 minus pi, which is again equal to pi minus 2 pi divided by 2, which is equal to minus pi by 2. It is the right option. Minus pi by 2 is the right option. Though correct option is B. Correct option is B. B is the right option. Because here you will get this as tan inverse root 3, that is tan inverse tan of pi by, it is pi by 3. Cot inverse root 3, it is 1 by tan inverse root 3, it is again 1 by tan inverse root 3, tan inverse tan of pi by 3. This pi by 3 and pi by, you will get this as pi minus pi by 2 minus pi, which is equal to pi minus 2 pi divided by pi, which is equal to minus pi by 2. The correct option is B. Now we have completed this inverse trigonometric functions. Now tomorrow inshallah we will take this differentiation of class 12th.